I knew how to stack my peas when shit was slow. Common sense when my niggas pop balls, fam, I didn't go. I had D's in the bush on a lonely strip. All I ever wanted was a phone that ripped. Told them niggas on the block I'm gonna blow. Started rapping, or else will I wash up all this dough. Hope the price on the bricks coming down. Still paid extortion, if you don't swim then you drown. Still caught up in this dumb world. You know how much times I slapped up fiends for knocking my mum's door. My friend robbed my friend, now I gotta get his shit back. Chasing all these young bucks cause they already split that. I was on the wing mopping the floor. Now I bring my whole block on my tour. No need to sell tops anymore. Used to put half a brick in the pot, take a key out like I'm locking the door. They couldn't prove it but they knew we did it. I seen bitches sell their pussy for money then buy Gucci with it. I seen a few niggas cross the line. Way too many cool niggas lost their mind. I wasted years on the block trying to be a trap star. School days I just stared at the clock. It's fucked up how I'm still risking my freedom. Trap phone ringing in these £1,000,000 meetings, let's go. Man's really some crabs in a bucket out here, man. You see my movie, and that's the watered down version, like it's way worse. Come on. Free the team, free my nigga Hydro. Free cash, R.I.P. Zeno, R.I.P. Styling, let's go. My nigga made 100K, then he left the trap. I made mills and you can still come and get a pack. I'm in my own lane, so I don't care what they're on. The streets were here before me and they'll be there when I'm gone, I had a 38 before I bought a whip. Like fuck a bad bitch, I need a normal chick. My nigga Wacky's family till we die young. We don't follow rules, me and Soft smoke caddies in Dubai, I barely rap, bitch, I move keys. All these grown niggas acting like some groupies. They was in college, I gave food out to the smokers. I remember after parties having shootouts in my lofters. When I was down, the same guys I couldn't phone for nothing. Be the same niggas acting like I owe them something. Fuck them niggas. I put in work on the strip, this ain't luck. Now I pull up, got them haters cars sick like yuck. Hating the way I'm getting bread, like I won't go in my safe. Put some papers on your head, I'm a rap star, but I'm on surveillance by the feds. And I only started trapping just to save up for a ped. Imagine that. You can tell I'm getting old, cause I fuck 11 bitches and never tell a soul. I remember when I lost that TP and I was nearly broke. My nigga doing life just called, I gotta cheer him up, it's nice.
Zeno Records.